Hey everyone, just want to say a quick hello. I hope all of you are doing all right. I hope everything's going well for all you guys. I really miss you. I miss seeing you guys in class. I miss seeing you come down the hallways. I really do miss you guys, and I hope we can make it back to school by the end of the year, and I'll get to see you again. So, what I wanted to do with this was just kind of go over some of the stuff that we're going to be seeing with this online learning. For our class, I'm not really expecting it to be that big of a hassle for us. We've used Google Classroom a lot, and I'm just going to keep using that. I'm going to post all the assignments on Google Classroom. You'll complete them all on Google Classroom. So, I'm not really expecting any major concerns, but any concerns you do have or anything that's not working right or anything like that, please, contact me, email me, put comments on Google Classroom, whatever you need to do, just communicate with me and we'll make sure that everything gets sorted out and worked out. So I just want to go over some things just to make sure everything's clear before we get started with all the new units and everything. So let's look here at this one. English 2, this is also going to count for pre-ACE first period. This is all the same information for you guys as well. Okay, so just some things I'm going to go over. One thing I will say, you guys know I can be long-winded. I will try and keep these videos as short as possible. Each week I'll give you a little video of kind of explaining the unit for the week, but I'm going to try my best to keep it short and sweet for you guys. So, just want to talk about grades real quick. Your grades have been posted for the third 9 weeks. To get your semester grade, it's going to be an average of your third and fourth 9 weeks grades. So, there's no ELC. We had FSA English that we were going to have to do. We don't have to do that now. So, to get your grade for the semester, you just average together, the third and fourth 9 weeks. So, you want to figure out what grade you need to get in order to pass, or what grade you need to get to the grade you want for the semester. This is what you're going to do. So let's say you wanted an 85 for the semester. So you take 85 and you divide it by 100, which gives you 0.85. Okay, so then you take that 0.85, you multiply it by 200, which gives you 170. Then you take 170, 170, and you minus whatever grade you got for the third 9 weeks. So let's say you had an 80 for the third 9 weeks. That means you would need to get a 90 for the fourth 9 weeks in order to get the 85 for the semester that you were looking for. Okay? Now, I'm sure there's probably a better, easier way to do this. I am not a math person. This is how I know to do it. If you ended up with a 55 for the third 9 weeks, you get a 65 for the fourth 9 weeks. You end up with a 60 for the semester. All right? So if you didn't get the grade you were hoping for, or you didn't do as well as you wanted, don't be discouraged. Okay, one thing that does tend to happen is third 9 weeks grades tend to be a little bit lower, fourth 9 week grades tend to be kind of a little bit higher, and so they even out and you get a pretty standard grade for your whole semester of what you are typically earning. So any questions on that is going to have to be just email me and we can talk about it, but that is what I have to say about grades. All right, focus in Google Classroom. Assignments are going to be posted in both places. That's just so then your parents can see the assignment as well, so they know what you're working on. Please check Google Classroom for announcements, instructions, everything that goes along with your assignments. Your assignments, complete them on Google Classroom. That is going to be where pretty much this class is. The reason being, we use it all the time. We're comfortable with it. All your assignments complete on Google Classroom. Do not use Google Docs. If you use Google Docs, then you have to share the assignment with me. I get 150 emails. I don't want 150 emails every single assignment that we have. So please go through Google Classroom. Then I can see what you're working on. If you forget to press turn in, but you still do it, I can see it. I can give you a grade for it. It just is better all around. To get in contact with me, I do have official office hours twice a week. During this time, I'm going to be on email. I will be answering immediately from Mondays from 10 to 11 and Wednesdays from 2 to 3. This does not mean that you can't email me at any other time. I am going to be checking my email regularly throughout the day, so you can email me anytime. I might not answer immediately, but I will be able to get back to you rather quickly. You can also add comments to the Google Classroom assignment, and I will be checking that as well on a regular basis, and so I can comment back to you there. There's my email, just in case you need it or you don't have it. trainer.amanda@brevardschools.org. All right, assignments. Once again, go through Google Classroom. I'm going to say it a lot just because it is so important. The best way for me to get your assignments graded and back in a timely manner is for you to complete them by the due date. All right. You are going to have a week to complete pretty much any assignment that I give you. I'm going to assign them. You got a week to get them handed in. To make it easier for you guys, what I'm going to do is I'm just going to make every single assignment a single classroom assignment. Within that single classroom assignment, you might have multiple tasks. Like, for example, the first week you're going to have a section with grammar of review of semicolons and colons. The second section is going to be writing emails. I'm going to do it that way just so there's one document for you to open, one document for you to work on. Just make sure you scroll all the way to the bottom of the document until you see on the bottom of the page it says this is the end of week whatever. So the first one would say this is the end of week 1. When you see that, that's when you can stop. This is my plan as of now. It might need adjusting, it might need changing. We'll see. We'll play it by ear as we go along. Pretty much what's going to happen is Sunday evenings I will post the assignment for the week. And usually it's going to be 1 to 2 assignments depending on the complexity and the time that's involved. I am also going to post an instructional video that goes along with it. That's going to give you important information, directions, examples, any information you might need. Friday, all assignments for the week are going to be due by Friday at 11:59 p.m. All right, the reason being is that this is going to give you the time and the ability to work on it when you are able to. It's going to allow you to share the computer with other people in the household if you need to. It's going to allow you to still work if you need to babysit younger siblings or whatever you need to do. This is going to hopefully allow you the ability to complete the assignments on your time and not be, pressed for time on it. But like always, any issues or concerns, let me know. We will find a way to have everything work out and make it so that you can get everything done that you need to get done. So that's pretty much how it's going to go. Hopefully that's going to be relatively straightforward. And hopefully it'll all go smoothly. Please get onto Google Classroom. Check out your assignment for this week, and keep in touch, stay healthy, stay happy, and hopefully I'll see y'all again soon.